let's set up your machine for the embroidery parts. The embroidery function, you're going to use this little tool that comes with your machine. You're going to take off that part right there that attaches to the foot, and you're going to attach the embroidery foot. It kind of hooks on around the part behind the needle. You can see it's kind of like a hand. It's going to grab around, and you're going to put it around that little nail thing and screw it back on. Now it can easily go up and down. You're going to attach on the embroidery part of the bottom section. I don't know the names of these parts, but this is the visual, okay? And then it's going to tell you it's going to adjust. You're going to say okay, and you can start your embroidery. You can download files. You can type in a word. If you see that it doesn't fit, it just means you need to make it small. I usually start out small, and then I use the size function to make it as big, as wide, as long as I want it to. And on these functions, you can also rotate the image. You can move it around with your finger, or you can use the move button to use like arrows. You can change the colors of the thread. You can even change the colors like individually, the letters. There's so many functions you can do, but usually I just use like the basic stuff, and then I press embroidery. It's going to show you how many stitches, how long it's going to take, and how many colors of thread you have. So to start it, you're going to put in your fabric, put the foot down, press green, and go.